Okwa na abania, ife ni ihe ga-eme na abania. Okwa na abania, ife ni ihe ga-eme, make you know the frown. Today is an happy day. Just relax yourself, because we go the party all night long. President Kabu Hito.
I tell you now.
Flavor. Oyorima.
Flavor. You know, finish your.
I pay.
Favor.
Everything they play, wait they worry you.
Flavor.
Okay, we are sir.
Fine. Alpha, have you paid him?
And we may go. One man. I don't have money.
Don't worry, I have money. I have gift card.
Where did you see gift card, sir?
For my brother.
Is your brother where you collected his gift card?
Don't worry about that one. It's my family issue. I will take care of it later. Yeah? See, you are more important to me. I can do anything, sacrifice anything to make sure you get to that pinnacle of success. Because I know you are going far. This is just your humble beginning.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention.
I appreciate you.
Don't mention.
Child.
But the problem now is where are we going to trade it?
That is not a problem now. I will trade it with Carding app. Carding app is the best trading app in Nigeria, where you trade all kinds of gift cards and you will get paid instantly in Naira into your local bank account. Yeah, now, see, the best part is that when you use the promo code PRODASOLO, you will get 3,000 Naira welcome bonus. When you download the app, you can download from Apple Store or Play Store. They are very safe.
Okay.
See? Asa, I will take you around the world. Asa Dalo. Chai. Mbogi. Siegi na plane. Flying around the whole world.
Flavor.
Oyorima. Chai. Asa. Sit down. No, let me finish up. We'll go home. Producer. Asa.
Yes.
Why are you making all these faces? Why are you giving me attitude?
What character do you want me to show when I don't even know where this relationship is heading to? You are blessed. See your houses, cars, investments here and there. You are famous. You are known internationally. Don't you think it's high time you come and see my parents? Pay my bride price and marry me.
Marry you?
Hey now.
Marry a thief.
How my millions?
I'm bad now. I cannot marry a thief.
Mwah.
You stole from your brother. You stole from your family to support me. How am I sure you will not steal from me? You will not steal my hard-earned money, Egom, to support another man. If I were your brother, will you advise him to marry a thief like you? Eh? Oyorima.